Latest research and development. 1. Astronomers just found a zombie star with a shocking backstory. Astronomers using NASA's Hubble Space Telescope have uncovered a stellar oddity, a massive white dwarf star born from the violent merger of two stars, rather than the quiet death of a single one. 2. The surprising teamwork trick ants use to double their strength. Weaver ants have mastered a teamwork hack that humans never could. They actually work harder as their teams grow. 3. Scientists warn, the ocean's hidden architects are breaking down. Beneath the Mediterranean waves, tiny marine architects, called bryozoans, are showing alarming signs of stress as climate change drives both ocean warming and acidification. 4. New research shows birth control may do more than just prevent pregnancy. Research indicates that hormonal birth control can influence emotions and memory, shaping the daily reality of women worldwide. 5. Plant waste, the surprising secret ingredient making concrete stronger and greener. Researchers at USASC have discovered that incorporating biochar into cement produces concrete that is both stronger and more environmentally sustainable. 6. Binge watching might actually be good for you, study finds. Binging a good show or book can spark your imagination and help you get through tough times. 7. Weight loss drug Mounjaro shrinks breast cancer tumors in mice. In a revealing preclinical study, the weight loss drug tirapatide, already known for fighting obesity and diabetes, unexpectedly slowed the growth of breast cancer tumors in obese mice. 8. A new weapon against cancer, cold plasma destroys hidden tumor cells. Cold plasma penetrates deep into tumors and attacks cancer cells. Short-lived molecules were identified as key drivers. 9. This popular sport is linked to an increased risk of dementia. Researchers at the University of Auckland have found a link between playing high-level rugby and an increased risk of developing dementia. 10. Life-saving breast cancer drug has a rare but serious side effect. The findings challenge long-standing assumptions about therapy-related cancers. They also highlight how drug actions can substitute for genetic changes in tumor development. 11. InSight mission discovers chaotic structure hidden inside Mars. New research shows that Mars mantle holds evidence of its turbulent early history. 12. The unexpected material that could build our first Mars colony. Swinburne and CSIRO researchers have successfully produced iron in Mars-like conditions, opening the door to metal production beyond Earth. 13. This common sleep aid may also protect your brain from Alzheimer's. Lemborexant and similar sleep medications show potential for treating tau-related disorders, including Alzheimer's disease. 14. Decades-old quantum puzzle solved. Graphene electrons violate fundamental law of physics. Electrons in graphene can act like a perfect fluid, defying established physical laws. This finding advances both fundamental science and potential quantum technologies. Thanks for watching this video.